Right. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to warmly welcome you for GCE advanced level. Okay, now you have just completed your ordinary level examination and have decided to pursue combined mathematics in your A level, which means you have decided to pursue physical science stream. Now, before I begin combined mathematics, let me tell you some important things regarding your decision. Okay, now you have just completed your O level examination where you study 9 subjects. Now, when you come to GC advanced level, you will study only 3 main subjects along with ICT and English, right? Okay. Now, however, you have decided to study combined mathematics, which means you have targeted to become an engineer or other related fields, right? Now, let's take a look at the streams that are available in GC advanced level. Okay, so streams in GC advanced level. Basically, we have 5 streams, right? We have 5 streams. Now, the first one is biological science stream. We say biological science stream. The next one is physical science stream. Physical science stream. Now, the third one is we say commerce, right? So, commerce, arts, and technology. I don't know much about commerce, arts, and technology, but I will just say these 3 streams are also available, right? Technology, where we have BTech and ETech, right? BTech and ETech means biology, biotechnology, and engineering technology, right? So, out of these 5 streams, you have decided to select or pursue this particular stream. That's why we have come to study combined mathematics. Now, some people might have decided to study biological science stream if they had to become a doctor, right? Now, let's take a look at the subjects that we have common and separately for both these streams, right? So, I'm just going to talk about this biological science stream and this physical science stream only. Now, whether you follow biological science stream or physical science stream, 2 subjects will be common. What are they? For these, physics and chemistry will be common. And if you study biological science stream, you will study biology, right? Biology means we will have 2 components there. One is zoology and the other one is botany. Okay. Now, if you study physical science stream, you will study combined mathematics. Okay. So, combined mathematics mean in the name itself we have the word combined, means we have combined 2 components, right? So, here we will study combined mathematics. Combined mathematics. So, let me take combined maths simply. Okay. In combined mathematics, what we have combined together? So, they are, we say pure mathematics, pure maths, and applied maths. Applied maths. Right. Now, here if you have decided to study physical science stream, there is another option also. I'm not going to talk much about that, but you can consult other people about this opportunity or about this option, right? Instead of chemistry, if you study physical science stream, you can take ICT instead of chemistry. There is an option. Okay. Now, if you study ICT, if you are interested in software field, if you want to become a software engineer, you can take ICT instead of chemistry. Okay. So you can explore about this option using Google or internet, or you can consult some experienced people also. Okay, right. Now, here you see, generally after a student has completed ordinary level examination, people will ask, okay, what stream I going to select? Some people will tell I'm going to study bio. Some people tell I'm going to study maths, right? And some people will say I have no idea, I have to think and decide, right? Then some people will not have any idea, they will go to all the streams and decide then after results are released, they will change their career, and there will be a lot of confusions and dilemmas. Okay, now you have clearly decided to study combined mathematics in order to become an engineer or some other related fields. Okay, now now overall I have explained the streams that we have in A levels, right? But I didn't talk anything about this commerce and arts because that is not our chapter. Okay, now even though so when you compare biological science stream and physical science stream, only two subjects are different, but two subjects are common, right? Sometimes if you study ICT instead of chemistry, that is a different case. Only one subject will be common for biological science stream and you. Okay, now with this idea, let's study what is combined mathematics. Okay, so let me erase all these things. Okay, now as I told you, mathematics. So one person is coming and asking, what are you studying? You will say, I am studying maths. You shouldn't tell like that. You should tell, I am studying physical science. I am studying in physical science stream. This is how you have to properly answer that person. Okay, so combine mathematics. So what is mathematics? So mathematics is a science. We say science. Okay, because why? In the name itself we have science. So it is a science, or we can say branch of science of numbers, symbols and shapes, right? So we can say a simple definition for mathematics. Okay, so it's okay. So mathematics is not a separate subject when compared to science. So if you take science, we have four main components, right? The first one is we say biology. You have already studied science in grade 11, from grade 6 to grade 11. You have studied, and maths. So like that you have studied. So you might think science and mathematics are separate subjects, but in reality they are same, right? They are same. So mathematics is a branch of science, and in science only we have biology. Okay, so in science we have four subjects. So mathematics is not a separate subject here. Science, biology, then we have chemistry, then we have physics, and we have mathematics. So maths is also science of numbers, symbols and shapes. We can tell like that. Okay, so you are going to study. Now this is the thing, right? So if you are going to follow biological science team, you will study these three subjects, and if you are going to study physical science team, you will study these three subjects. So this is the criteria, or this is the idea. Okay, now combined mathematics. So we have already studied combined mathematics, mean we have pure math and applied math. So they both these components are combined together and named as combined mathematics. But before 2000 we had pure mathematics and applied mathematics separately. Then when the syllabus was amended, they combined these two subjects together and named as combined mathematics. But that is only the change in name. Okay, right. Now, getting rid of these all information, we are going to delve into combined mathematics. Right. So mathematics, we studied that is a branch of science, and here, okay, now you might have attended chemistry classes, you might have attended physics classes also. Now teachers might have told in chemistry we have 14 units and in physics we have 11 units, but we cannot define the number of units in mathematics. So here we have a lot of branches in mathematics. So we will say arithmetic, algebra. So you might have studied these things in your O level also. Algebra. Then we have calculus. Then we have trigonometry. So we might study about sine, cos, tan, and about right angle triangle in trigonometry. Okay. Then we have geometry, right? geometry. So you might have studied the theorems of theorem regarding triangles, parallelogram, and circles, and other things, right? And we have statistics and probability also. Statistics and probability. So these are the branches of mathematics. Now we are going to study each and every branch in detail in our following videos and classes. Okay. Now I have explained the branches. We cannot tell that these are the syllabus because in mathematics there is not a definite syllabus. So we will study in shuffle. We will study the basic concepts of algebra. Then we might study trigonometry. So in confusing, but no. So for example, if you want to study chemistry, first you have to study atomic structure. Then you have to study bonding and structure. Then you have to study chemical calculus. So there is an order which you have to follow. But here we can study according to our wish, so that we can understand easily. We cannot define a particular or definite syllabus. Okay. Now combined mathematics. Now you have come to study combined mathematics. Now you say you are 2026 advanced level batch. So 2026. Okay. 2026 means in 2026 I cannot tell the month in which you will write the examination, because nowadays in Sri Lanka we cannot predict anything. Anything may happen. So let's say sometimes you might write your examination in 2027, but I wish that shouldn't happen. You should write your examination in 2026 in the earlier month, so that you can go into your other steps, right? So in 2026, let's say in August sometimes they might make changes to conduct your examination in August. Now in any of the months, let's say in any of the months in 2026, you will have to write the final examination, and based on that examination you will go to the next step, whether you have to go to university or some other institutes, or what field you have to select. You have to go to like engineering faculty or science faculty or any other faculties, or technology faculties. So there are a lot of faculties, and I'm not going to talk about career opportunities, right? So I will just tell you, but you have come here to become an engineer, because if we study physical science stream, the ultimate goal or the highest position that you can acquire is engineer. So you have to focus towards that. So you have to go to an engineering faculty in a reputed university, right? So that should be your goal. Okay. Now combine mathematics. Now in 2026 you will write an examination. So understanding the structure of paper and how much marks we will earn